So, all right, guys, this is going to be the existing gas meter that we have and hook up into the house. It goes into the crawl space, which this is one of the accesses. You will have to remove a couple of these panels to get actually into the crawl space access, but nothing too out of the ordinary. Gas line hookup is going to be right by the dryer in here, and I'm going to show you guys that next coming inside. We do have probably about a 6 or 8 inch roof up here. We're looking to change this over to gas. Yeah, Mary's pointing out where it was at. So the dryer's literally right here, and I'm going to show you guys that as well. So that access that we have, if you guys can see that gas line, is going to be right there. And this is going to be the furnace layout itself. We do have an electric furnace with a existing air conditioning setup. We're looking at a 60,000 BTU, roughly speaking, electric furnace, and that's most likely what we're going to be changing out with, a 60 to a 70,000 BTU furnace. We will be doing natural gas for this, so we'll need to basically drill up and run a gas line through this area. Everything's open and accessible. You are 21.5 inches clear. You have basically 22 all the way to this point until this side area, until this trim hits. And you have 100 inches top to bottom on this guy. Let me measure this so we know what we're working with up the top too. But from the furnace bottom to top, you're working with about 53, yeah, just about 53.5 inches of clearance. So that's going to be the whole access and everything here. And yeah, it should be pretty straightforward to get everything accessible depending on how wide and accessible that crawl space is. And then we will need to basically uninstall the coil, pump everything down to the condenser, go ahead and take this guy out. We are going to be keeping the air conditioner. It's brand new, literally put in about a year or two ago. So we will be keeping that for her. And then yeah, just change everything else out. And that's going to be it for the furnace side. We are also looking to add a gas access for her gas range she's looking to get in the future. So that's kind of everything that we're looking at. It does have plenty of intakes coming in through this area. You have one on the bottom, one up top, and then one up here. I'm pretty sure that the existing or the new gas woods have another just cold air intake right in here with 2 filters, so that'll be that. But that's kind of overall what we're looking at. And I think I already mentioned this, but I'll show you guys again. We have about an 8 inch roof from the ceiling up that we'll need to take into consideration for that roof jack. But that's going to be everything. It's got a brand new thermostat, which we'll be keeping as well. And that's going to be it.